Hello everybody and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. And today we will be preparing Gabbya polthaein. Okay, this is a banana stem salad. And we Konkanis usually prepare two types of banana stem salad. One is tambidaein and the other is polthaein. The polthaein or the white one, that is prepared using curd, and this polthaein, it is prepared using tamarind and red chilies. Okay, so in this video I have included the polthaein or the red one with tamarind and red chilies. So we will see how to prepare this polthaein. So the ingredients that you need for the preparation of banana stem salad is I have taken 3-inch piece gabbo or banana stem, 3 red chilies, a small gooseberry sized tamarind, pinch of asafoetida and salt to taste. For seasoning you require oil, small spoon mustard seeds and 1 sprig curry leaves. First you have to make some lukewarm water and pour it over the gooseberry sized tamarind, smash it and extract the paste out of this and keep it aside. Next you have to heat oil in a kadai, add red chilies and roast and keep them aside. You have to grind the tamarind paste, red chilies, asafoetida and salt together to a fine paste. Okay. In between, you have to cut the gabbo into small pieces and keep aside. To this cut gabbo pieces or banana stem pieces, you have to add the tamarind paste. Mix well. Next, you have to do the seasoning. Heat oil in a kadai, add mustard seeds and when they splutter, add curry leaves and pour the seasoning over the Gabbya polthaein. Okay, your Gabbya polthaein or banana stem salad is ready to be served. Usually this is served along with rice as a side dish. So, thank you all for watching my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.